I'm hearing that it is now safe for you to reveal who you are to this planet. Mother Earth needs you more than ever. Your medicine, your practice is needed. You're safe to express your higher truth. You were the plot twist. All along, God's plan is beyond. God has hidden sacred knowledge, sacred technology within you. All along, you were carrying the codes of evolution within you. Protected, you were all along. Protected from everything that is not love, light, and truth. It is now the time for your DNA to be fully activated. You hold the future of this planet in your hand. You are called to spread your life, your light. Your life is about to shift drastically because the light you carry within is beyond your own imagination and understanding. God is using you as a sacred weapon. I don't know what you're doing at night, but your life, I keep saying your life to say your light is changing the course of Mother Earth evolution. Your life is special. You are extremely special. Ikara atra andi siyote nai kaya You're working for Mother Earth's greed. You're transmuting, alchemizing these false energy. The matrix is falling down through your light. You were more important than you think you are. Akome kereya muasai nawa. Kayumai kereya unsawakana taraeyasa nereyasa. It is now time to unify Kiyoma. Aka Kiyonotoya 3 days. Tikaranatara. You're going to receive special codes for the next 3 days. your dormant DNA is going to be activating hengde yosho marayasha iyo totoro yosho wukuma azere I etere I etere I etere kaye I'm talking to a very ancient, very old soul. All the souls are eternal. It involves that you done that already. Your light is necessary now. Urukuta ni shishue ikere iatara amata. I kia so uro toke ne te ne akasha kunayo ekio no oso Equinoso, 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 mayosho. These are quotes from the Golden Rose, Koryonote, Iesho, Seriata. Trust, thank you for the confirmation on my phone. Trust in your power. Trust that your power is now coming to completion. I'm hearing. You're so protected, and I have one card here that was on the side. Now is the time for you to share your light. I'm hearing the enemy is gone. The light has the place to come back on planet Earth. So please take your microphone. I'm hearing. Raise your hands. Raise your voice. The world needs you now. It's safe. Soul family is coming. Full cycle to completion. You are an alchemist, you are a magician with your holy fire, sacred fire. You're coming to union from within, Saint Graal, holy union. You are alchemizing the darkness into light. You're transforming, my friend. The old self is gone. You're transforming into your divine essence. The world needs you now. I have codes and masterclass for you to help you transmute. If you need assistance, check on my website. And until next time, Namaste.